My name is Colonel Matthew Packard. I serve as the Chief of the Colorado State Patrol. I will tell you very directly that our member was targeted today by a man that intended to kill him, and that is shocking and unacceptable. But our Colorado State Trooper responded appropriately and swiftly and courageously, and he won today. That's what good does. Good and courageous people win over evil cowardice, and that's what happened today on Highway 36. He looked at the face of evil and responded appropriately.
Weeks after the incident, Chief of Police Colonel Matthew Packard held another press conference to bring further transparency to the situation.
I believe, based on current information, that Corporal Simcox was a target of opportunity. I think this shooter saw a patrol car, and that's the one he decided to take shots at. I am pleased to share with you Corporal Simcox continues to recover. I could not be more proud of that man. We expect a full recovery as he continues to come back for this. He did send me a statement that I'll read. I feel extremely blessed that I'm alive, and I'm very thankful for the support and prayers from everyone.
You know, when you see Simcox firing multiple times from his rifle right there next to his vehicle, clearly toward the suspect, I mean, you're in an area with moving traffic and other people. I would imagine clearly he's not just firing at random. He had a very targeted approach.
Let me get you come on over here, man. If you're up here and anybody hits the back of my patrol car, it's a good chance you're going to get caught somewhere in between that car and your car. And if you're not caught in between, you may still get struck by one of the vehicles. I don't want that to happen to you. Just like that, see? Just like that.
Huh? Man, you know why I pull you over? These windows, they tinted. You can't see nothing out.
I'm a celebrity, man. Nobody can't see me. Give me my ticket. Let me ride.
I don't know what celebrity you are.
It don't matter. They give me my ticket. Let me ride. I can't have nobody seeing me right here. I'm gonna let my window up.
Oh, yeah, look, you good, but you can't have that tinted window, man.
All right, they give me the ticket.
Let me see how dark these two windows are.
They probably be too dark.
Zero? Zero? Man.
Two windows. Probably can't even tell.
All right, Mr. Jones. So you did get a ticket, all right? You can't have the tint in the front, man. You can't have it on here. It's 32%. 32% is the legal limit. Anything below 32, you know, it's illegal. Okay, so that's why I pulled you over in the first place. All right? Your court date is gonna be July 9th, 2020 at 8 o'clock in the morning. No, not yet. But when it comes to July 9th, they'll probably be open. If not, they'll
give folk ticket, knowing that the economy down. That shit wrong, man. All right, come on, my ticket, man. I like it. Appreciate it. Have a good day, man.
Now, who are you? You say you
My name Lil Baby.
Okay, I just need you to sign right here, okay?
You got a pen?
827.
You don't be want to have these. You gotta have tints in that level. You folk crazy. I take a ticket, then somebody follow me home.
Put a 32.
Huh?
You can put a 32. If you got a medical exception, you can get the tint. If you got a multi-passenger vehicle, you know what that is? It's got to be
Uber or something.
it's like that. It's like have you ever seen those Mercedes-Benz with like 10 or more people?
Yeah, Sprinter.
Yes, those we can't get those attention.
I got them Sprinter too. I ain't know that. But that makes sense, because they come like
so
that.
So you can go in the in the Sprinter things, and you be fine. But with this, if I get you and I smell some marijuana and I see you drinking and stuff like that, that's a problem. So
I honestly let one of my partners use my car for a video. I just get him in eyeball. He been sitting up there with you the whole time with 2 chairs. Then you got him, you hop right behind. I'm like, I ain't letting nobody use my shit. All right, man. Appreciate it.